Alright guys, in this video I'm just gonna tell you how to check your internet speed. A lot of time you are working on Google or different browsers, but it is not actually helping you. You are not sure how's your internet working today. So for this process, I will tell you 3 different websites where you can go and check your internet speed. So you just have to type internet speed test here. Now the first result is the quick one. You just have to click on run speed test over here, this corner. So it will start analyzing your internet from 3 different perspectives. One is the downloading one, the second one is the uploading one, and then the third one is your reaction time. So once it is finished, then I will explain it to you. Yes, so your downloading speed in 1 second, like per second, is 70.5 megabyte. Your uploading speed, if you are uploading some photos, videos, or any file, that is 30.1 megabyte in 1 second. Your latency or your reaction time is 20 millisecond. And it will explain you like your internet speed is very fast, and it will vary from one internet connection to another internet connection. Moving on to the next one, it is speed test by Ookla. So you have to click over here. The home page will appear. You can click on different languages if you are using a different language, or if it finds you helpful. Okay, once the page is loaded, it will tell you in the very center to click on go. Allow this time. Now it has started analyzing your internet speed. Again, it will check your 3 aspects like we did in the past. Right, let it just finish, then I will explain how is my internet speed over here. And remember this website, speedtest.net. now the results have been uploaded. So the results for this internet, the connection I'm using is, my downloading speed is 51.1 megabyte in 1 second. My uploading speed is 27.08 megabyte in 1 second, and the ping, the latency we discussed before, millisecond, is 31. What does it mean? Like if you have to break second into 1000 parts, so it would be 0.030 of 1 second. This is the reaction time. Right, now moving on to the third website. So if you have to scroll down, and this one, speedcheck.org, click over here. It will have a different visual on the home page. The advertisements on the corner, you have to click on start test. Allow this time. Again, 3 things are always measured whenever you are testing your internet speed. One is latency, like in 1 million of a second, milli of a second, like 1000 of a second is 72.2. Then how is the downloading speed? That is 34.51 megabyte in 1 second. And if you are uploading any video, any PDF file, or any picture, that would be 40.13 megabyte in 1 second. It will also explain you what is your IP address, and then it will tell you like which internet provider are you using. Like I'm using here Telstra, and for advertisement purpose it will tell you, okay, connection is unprotected, and download this one, so you have to skip this one. I hope so you like this video. If you have learned something new, if you have any confusion, if you want me to do something different in next video, you have some suggestion, do drop in the comment box. Thank you.